What does God mean in Igbo language? Well, some people call him Chukwu, Chineke, Olisebuluwa. Some call him Osebuluwa. So, Obasibinelu. Okay. Now, oh God, please bless me. Please, you are pleading, you are begging. So, oh God, please bless me. How would you translate it to Igbo? It is simple. O Chukwu, biko gọzie or O Chineke, biko gọzie. It is so simple. O Chukwu, biko gọzie O Chineke, biko gọzie. Okay, hope that's been taken. All right. The next one. Lead me safely through this day. Lead me safely through this day. As I'm praying for myself, may God lead me safely through this day. May He lead you safely through this day as well. Amen. Lead me safely through this day. What does that mean? How would you translate this? It is simple. Due m nke ọma n'ụbọchị tata. Due m n'udo or due m nke ọma n'ụbọchị tata. Lead me safely through this day. How would you translate this to Igbo? It is simple. Due m n'udo n'ụbọchị tata. Due m nke ọma. Due m na-enwero nsogbu ọbụla n'ụbọchị tata. So it depends on how you want to say it. The next one is, may your light shine upon me. As I'm praying for myself, I am also praying for you. May the Lord's light shine upon you. Amen. May your light shine upon me. So how would you light? What do you call light in Igbo language? Light. Light is called ihe. Ihe. Light is called ihe. Okay. When you now say, may your light shine upon me. Okay, how would you say it in Igbo language? It is simple. Ka ihe gị chakwasam. Ka ihe gị chakwasam. That is what it is. Ka ihe gị chakwasim or chakwasam. Now, fight for me and give me victory. Fight for me and give me victory. As I am praying that He fights for me and gives me victory, may He fight for you and give you victory too. Amen. Fight for me and give me victory. How would you say it in Igbo? It is simple. Buoro m agha ma nye m mmeri. Buoro m agha ma nye m mmeri, or lụọrọ m ọgụ ma nye m mmeri. So it depends on how you want to say it. Last but not the least for today, receive my praises, O God. Receive my praises, O God. So how would you translate this? It is simple. Nara otito m, O Chukwu. Nara otito m, O Chukwu. Or ị nwere ike sịkwa nara otito m, O Chineke. So it depends on how you want to say it. Whether O Chukwu or O Chineke is the same thing. You are referring to God in Igbo language. That's it for now. But before we go, Amen. Amen. How do you say Amen in Igbo language? Amen is said as ise. So ndị Igbo na-asị ise ekpesi ekpere ma iji ọjị ikpe ma ekpe. Ndị ụka adịghị eti ise ma na-ekpe ekpere normal Christian prayer. But Amen n'asụsụ Igbo bụ ise. That is what I know. So Amen is ise. Thank you so much for watching, and also urge you to subscribe and follow my page, comment, share, like. Even if you don't know what to say in terms of commenting, just say Mazi, thank you, Mazi ndewo, Mazi jisike, Mazi daalụ. I would really appreciate. See you in my next video. Que mesia.